This is a steampunk-inspired steam engine bike. In this model, self-valving single-acting air engine is used. All the black and white plastic parts are 3D printed. More than 40 separate parts were printed and stick together using cyanoacrylate. A compound gear ratio of 1:100 is used to reduce speed and increase torque. A higher gear ratio ensures there is minimal direct load to air engine and improves stability. Air is used as fuel instead of steam to avoid PLA plastic damage. Hand-operated balloon pump is used to pump air into the air blower. Flywheel helps to moderate stable load output from the engine.